Welcome back to the building of Extinction. We're at the stage now where we're taking care of a lot of the little details and we're doing the disassembly and the packing of the work for its shipment to Newfoundland. One of the final things that we finished was the building of the feet and the toes for a dinosaur. And so there's a lot of little pieces and we wanted to articulate them so they come down onto the base. And it also means that these big heavy steel plates, which were necessary for transferring the weight that are coming down on these steel legs into a single spot, now have a little more logic as the feet flow onto them. You can also see that we've also painted the wood and we used an enamel. We originally were going with an option of trying to tar the work. I considered burning it. The tarring would have obscured so many of the carving marks that I wanted to keep visible that people really enjoyed and commented on through the viewing of these residency videos. And it also presented a problem with further conservation issues because this will be featured outside for the most part. So I wanted to choose a method that I could reapply and retreat. So fairly happy with the way the black turned out. It's got a nice mix of flats and glosses throughout, and it does highlight the carving quite easily. And now we move on to the final disassembly and the final packing, and then the work will be shipped and assembled on the Bonavista Peninsula in Newfoundland. Here we have before and after pictures of the pieces when they're fresh wood and then as they are colored into the black. You can see here the skulls with the reflective light showing quite well, and the gloss and the flats of the different planes are really articulated nicely. These are the neck vertebrae pieces as they are in wood, and some of the tail vertebrae as well as they're drying. These are the ribs as they are in wood, and this is the leg pieces as well as the ribs stacked up and drying with the black enamel applied. And the final set of ribs drying in the sun before they get ready to be packed. As we always do, we want to thank our sponsors, the Beaverbrook Art Gallery, for hosting this digital residency, the Bonavista Biennale in Newfoundland, where Extinction is now going to travel to and be set up for the Biennale in August, the Canada Council of the Arts for funding this project, and the Prince Edward Island Department of Culture for also funding.